Hello everybody, it's back from Anything for Life, and today we'll be making something that doesn't sound really right, but it is the same. And I like to call it that because it's called a paper helicopter. It's not 3D, but still I just call that name because it hovers like a helicopter top part. So today I'm going to be clearing it with I'm going to show you the pointers from the scissor, and so let's start. So we want to first bring this point. So take it to a diamond shape. Then take this point to that point. Okay, now you want to unfold. You want to unfold, and you want to bring the same point to the middle crease. Then do the same thing. Sharpen it a bit. Okay, then put it this way, and then take this one or should I take this line has to touch this section. Hold the layers down so they don't slide. Then you want to take the same point and put it to that slide. And hold the layers down so that. That's it. Okay, so we're nearly complete. So this is a tie format. Build like a tie. So we want to put maybe this point to that fold that we made. So this point to that point. So that's it, so now it's almost complete. And then just do that. And it should spin. And just, but when you actually fly, it does really good, but I'm not going to show it right now, but yeah. So, and if you want to make something a little fun, you can put it to to where the tie is, the fold is going downwards, and then putting this point, so this point to that point. It might be a bit hard because there are lots of ways. Okay. Off, and then do the same thing. Okay. Then after that, unfold those two. And it just makes like a really nice train to play with. So it's a really large train. So yeah, this is like the front. So it kind of makes it 3D. So if you want to play that, you can. But now if you do that, the helicopter will not really fly that well. But yeah, but it's still a really fun thing. So hope you liked my video. And don't forget to turn on the notification button so you get notifications when I update a new video. Always remember that, and always subscribe to my channel. And see you next time, and see some new things on Anything for Life.